Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can add friends in Valorant. So guys, first of all, I will need you to open your Valorant client and then launch the game. Of course, that's after you log into your account. Now, as you can see, my game is launched and here it is. So now, in order for me to add friends, there's multiple ways to do that. First of all, as you can see here on the right list, there's multiple option or lists. These two friends are actually, or like in general, whoever friend you have added in like Valorant, League of Legends, Legends of Frontera, they will be added to your list in whatever client. So for example, if I'm opening Valorant, I'm playing Valorant, so as you can see, I'm opening Valorant here. Still, I can see my League of Legends friends that are in games. The same here, for example, I can see my Valorant players that are in Valorant opening the game. So, and here I can see the offline players that are offline list of friends that are like League of Legends players and Valorant players. Now, how we can actually add these friends? Well, the first thing to do, which is the pretty simple method, which is just going over here in the bottom and clicking in this icon in here, and here basically just put the right ID and the tagline, which will be, for example, for me, TT Lolly, tagline which is EU West. The second way to add friends in Valorant. So let's say, for example, you have played with someone in a game and you wanted to know what is their name or to add them without knowing their informations. So you just go to your account. So for example, here my account, and basically what I'm going to do is go to this game, for example, scoreboard, and click right, and I can here click on add friend. So yeah guys, that's how you can add friends in Valorant. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.